Hello, boys and girls. This is Miss K. Today I'm going to read aloud an informational text titled Who Lays Eggs? Written by Karen Lachana Kenny. Let's look at the front cover of this text. What do you notice? I notice a spider with an egg sac under it. Do you know what other living creatures also lay eggs? Well, today we're going to read and learn all about what other living creatures lay eggs. This is a table of contents. A table of contents is located at the beginning of the text and it lists key topics in the book with the page number in the order they are presented. In this table of contents, we have animals that lay eggs, picture glossary, what do you remember, ideas for parents and teachers, index, and websites. Let's get started. Pretty blue eggs sit in a robin's nest in a tree. Other animals lay eggs too. They all find ways to keep their eggs safe. How many eggs do you count in this nest? I count 1, 2, 3, and 4. There are 4 blue eggs in this nest. The large emu's nest is on the ground. It lays a clutch of huge dark green eggs. Each egg weighs as much as 10 chicken eggs. The author included a label over here that reads clutch. Clutch is a group of eggs laid around the same time. We can also go back to the glossary to find out the meaning of this word. So let's count how many eggs there are. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. There are 9 total eggs. Like a duck, the platypus has a bill. It is not a bird, but it does lay eggs. In its burrow, the platypus lays 1 or 2 tiny eggs. So, the author included a label over here that reads burrow, right? And a burrow is a tunnel or hole in the ground that is made by an animal. So it's pointing to the burrow over here. Crocodiles make nests in sand or dirt. When the babies hatch, they use a tiny egg tooth. It helps cut their shells open. This label reads shell and it's pointing to the shell. A shell is a hard covering of an egg. Wolf spiders make silk sacs for their eggs. The mother carries the sac on her body until the eggs hatch. This label over here is sac and it's pointing to the sac over here. A sac is something that is shaped like a bag or a pouch. A salamander lays its egg in the water. A thick gel covers the eggs. It keeps other animals from eating them. This label over here reads gel, so it's pointing to the gel. Gel is a thick matter that is like jelly. In the ocean, squids lay eggs in cases. Many eggs are inside each one. This label here shows the case. A case is a container for something that is held inside. A sea turtle lays her eggs on the sandy beach. Inside eggs, all kinds of animals grow. What would happen to them without their eggs? This is a picture glossary. A picture glossary is located at the back of the book, an alphabetical listing of text important words with definitions. So we have the word burrow and the definition along with the picture. We have the word case, clutch, gel, sac, and shell. This is an index. An index has specific topics, events, names, and terms listed in alphabetical order with page numbers. It is more specific than the table of contents, and it helps us to quickly find where specific information we are looking for is located. For example, if I wanted to find more information on sea turtles, I would look for the word sea turtles, which is right here, and it says more information about sea turtles is on page 19. If I wanted to look for more information on crocodiles, I would look for crocodile, which is here, and I know I can go to page 11 to read more about crocodiles. Boys and girls, we are going to do an activity now called What Do You Remember? I want you to take out a piece of paper and a pencil, and on that piece of paper, I want you to copy this chart over here. On this chart, it has a list of animals, so I'm going to read the animals to you. So you have salamander, emu, wolf spider, robin, squid, platypus, and crocodile. For each of these animals, you are going to check the box that tells where each animal lays its eggs. So for example, the salamander. Where does the salamander lay its eggs? Does it lay its egg in the nest, burrow, sac, or water? So you're going to choose one. So you're going to do the same thing for each of these animals and figure out where each of these animals lay its eggs. If you don't remember, you can always go back to the text, reread, find the text evidence to figure out where each of these animals lay its eggs. I hope you enjoyed today's read aloud.